Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your man Jay GymMonsta 81, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. So I wanted to stay true to what I said earlier about giving you guys an on-screen taste test of the strawberries and cream rule 1. So right now it's time for me to have a shake, and I got some almond milk right here. I'm gonna throw about 8.5 ounces in a little quick cup. I'm gonna get a quick scoop of this. Now keep in mind, you guys know that my protein of choice when it comes down to flavor and profile is Synthesis. So I'm gonna do a little scoop and another little, maybe like a little bit like that. All right, so you can see the mixability. It mixed pretty well without a strainer in there. All right, let's go ahead and get a quick taste. Okay, one more time. So off the rip, it tastes really good, man. Synthesis is obviously my best and my favorite, and it still does taste better than this, but this is great. It tastes good. I know the almond milk is probably helping to give it that taste, but it tastes real good. Vanilla almond milk. But it tastes really, really good. Goes down smooth. It mixes pretty well too, at least in this almond milk, without a strainer in it. I'm pretty sure if you put a strainer in it, you could probably get it a little bit more, you know, a little more mixed. I guess mixed a little bit better, you know what I mean? So just wanted to make that quick video on-screen taste test like I told you guys I would do. Synthesis is first. I think this is a close second to the taste, man. So anyway, it's your man Jay, GymMonsta 81, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.